we are now going to preview Training Lesson 2, which is in your lesson packet in the front of your manual. On the screen, you'll see the decoding components of Training Lesson 2. On the left side of the lesson are the skills you will deliver to your students, and the right side explains how to deliver these skills. Please note the references to the time on the left. These times will give you an indication of approximately how much time to allow for these components. Also at the top is a reference to any new cards and what the teaching objective is for the lesson. As we've mentioned in training, lessons always begin with review. The review components at this point are phoneme segmentation, the visual drill, tactile drill, and review words to read. If you look at phoneme segmentation on the right side of the lesson, you will notice that the red and blue hands are only used if students still need these tools. If not, they can fingerspell on the rug or their leg. After the review components, we introduce something new. In this lesson, we will be teaching a new word family, IG, and applying it to words to read. After we've introduced the new component, the lesson shifts to an encoding emphasis. Here in encoding, we'll begin with handwriting. All lowercase letters have been introduced, so we are switching to capital letters. We will use the same procedure as we did when teaching lowercase letter formation. Then we move on to an auditory drill. The triangle row is now being used and addresses initial sounds of words. The front of the student response sheet is included on the screen so that you can see where these components are recorded. We have added 2 components to our lessons: new words to spell and sentence dictation. The back of the SRS form is included on the screen to show you where these components will be recorded. We wrap the lesson up with some phonemic awareness activities and fluency practice. We are now working on phoneme blending, as well as identifying words that rhyme. Fluency is now a connected text passage, which is fair and decodable. As you are watching the lesson demonstration, be sure to have your packet available and write down any comments or questions you may have. This concludes the preview of Training Lesson 2.